strong, pulls us in when feeling warm. Trying hard to picture more, but my thoughts still say, no, don't get in my way. We're like the sun, golden rays now on the run. Driving through fame, the 101. And now we've seen the stars. Ooh, we are the lovers on the mountain. Dreamers passing through California. Sun is beaming down and Sequoia. The light that flickers through makes me feel brand new. White tips sits for below. You feel my warmth, I see your glow as we're standing there in our El Capitan says, hey, don't be forgetting your way. We are the sun, you're the river, I'm the swan. Energy still fills our blood as we journey to the stars. Ooh, we are the lovers on the mountain. Dreamers passing through California. Sun is beaming down and Sequoia. The light that flickers through makes me feel brand new. All our conversations end up culmination of barefoot dreams, knowing how to get it falling deeper back into the ground. All our conversations end up culmination of barefoot dreams, knowing how to get it falling deeper back into. Ooh, we are the lovers on the mountain. Dreamers passing through California. Sun is beaming down and Sequoia. The light that flickers through. We are the lovers on the mountain. Dreamers passing through California. Sun is beaming down and Sequoia. The light that flickers through makes me feel brand new. The mountains are calling, the rivers are calling, so we must go. Yeah, we must go. The air that I'm breathing, the sun that I'm feeling helps me remember where I come from. And I will never forget where I come from. And I am the moon, and I am the sun. The mountains are calling, the rivers are calling, so go outside and be alive. The air that I'm breathing, the sun I am feeling gives life to my body. love in my heart. And I will never forget where I come from. And I am the moon, and I am the sun. Forget where I come from. And I am the moon, and I am the sun. The mountains are calling, the rivers are calling, so we must go. Yeah, we must go. The air that I'm breathing, the sun that I'm feeling helps me remember where I come from. If walls could speak, what would they say? Would they tell me to turn around and walk away? Wish I believed so I could pray. Oh, I wonder what he'd say. 'Cause you stitched me up, but we came undone, and it's killing me. Don't know what to do, don't know where to run, so please take me into